New Year. Everybody celebrates New Year, whether they are of different religion or a different country. We can say that everybody celebrates New Year as it's an international holiday. It's not a festival. It's just a day that everybody celebrates, whether they are just simple people with their house or entire flats and campaigns and buildings. Everybody celebrates New Year because the New Year comes with many happiness and many other things that you want to do this year. People make resolutions that what they will do in this year and cut cakes, eat food, and just stay happy throughout the day. There are various other things that people do in New Year. And if I start counting them, it would take an entire hour. So let's point out a few ones. New Year is a very happy day. It is celebrated from the start. Every night in 31st December at 12 p.m., 12 a.m., everybody starts celebrating New Year and wishes Happy New Year to everybody to bring joy to this year. Thank you.